Little quick video. I get a lot of questions on this bag. Just a S.O.G little carry bag. It holds 3 AK mags nicely. Some webbing on the side. A lot of Amazon questions since I ordered it. Room for a tourniquet, fire starter, some other odds and ends in there. Some medical tape, some loose rounds. The inside's not too big, but 10-round Bulgarian mag. Easily holds a 3-round Romanian with some mil surplus Romanian mags in it. Extra belt, oil bottle. It'll hold quite a few pistol mags and AK mags, AR, whatever. It's pretty comfy, pretty handy, pretty small package. Got a nice comfortable strap. You can't beat it for, I think I paid maybe $15. It's holding up pretty good. Just a range bag / truck gun bag. It's not bad. Keep fighting for your Second Amendment.